Bringing Provence home. A French country cottage renovation. Have you ever walked into a house that instantly feels like a warm hug? Let me paint you a picture of my favorite design obsession right now. Imagine walls the color of fresh cream drying in the sun. That's Benjamin Moore's Swiss coffee, warm and quietly inviting. Now add muted sage green on shutters and cabinets, nodding to the herb garden just outside. Terracotta shows up underfoot and atop tabletops, grounding everything in earthy rust tones. Natural oak wood then weaves through furniture and beams, bringing a gentle honeyed contrast. You might think all this warmth would feel heavy, but it doesn't. Instead, each room breathes with the casual elegance of a French farmhouse. Inside, we're keeping things soft and livable, not precious or stiff. Outside, though, that's where the story takes a dramatic turn. The facade surprises everyone with pale pink plaster, like a blushing sunset caught on walls. So grab a cup of coffee, and let's tour this cottage room by room. Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Picture yourself stepping through the front door onto terracotta floor tiles that feel cool under your sneakers. Swinging to your left, a salvaged oak bench invites you to sit and unlace your boots. Above it, a sage green coat rack, painted shabby on purpose, holds a woven basket for dog leashes. Don't miss the small round mirror framed in natural oak, hung low so kids can check their messy hair. A single terracotta pot on the floor holds dried lavender, releasing scent every time someone brushes past. That warm, creamy ivory on the walls makes the narrow hallway feel twice as wide, I promise. Why not gather around a stone fireplace that shows a few sooty scars from real fires? Plump sofas and oatmeal linen face each other over a low oak coffee table ringed with water stains. Sage green drapes hang loosely from iron rods, filtering afternoon light into soft, milky pools. Terracotta floor tiles continue from the entryway, only here they're topped with a braided wool rug in faded rust and cream. A trio of mismatched oak bookshelves lines one wall, stuffed with dog-eared novels and dried hydrangeas. Even the ceiling beams stay natural oak, left rough and unvarnished to whisper old farmhouse, not new build. Start with the bed. A sturdy oak frame that squeaks just a little when you sit down. Creamy ivory walls recede behind a sage green linen headboard, making the room feel like a cloud. Two terracotta jugs sit on the windowsill, holding nothing but morning light. Opposite the bed, a low oak dresser has drawer pulls that wobble, charming, not broken. Layer a sage green quilt over white sheets, then toss a terracotta-colored throw pillow for a pop of sunset. No overhead light here, just a single wrought-iron sconce on each side of the bed, casting warm circles on the walls. Have you ever eaten at a table that feels 300 years old? Ours is thick oak, scarred with knife marks and candle wax from decades of family dinners. Sage green cabinets line the far wall, their mesh fronts letting china gleam through like hidden treasure. Directly above the table, a wrought-iron chandelier holds 6 stubby candles. Real wax drips encouraged. Terracotta floor tiles catch every crumb and drop of red wine, aging gracefully with each new stain. The ivory walls stay bare except for one small oil painting of a fig tree, its frame reclaimed barn oak. Let's get cooking in a space where the cabinets are all muted sage green, perfectly imperfect with visible brushstrokes. Oak open shelving replaces upper cabinets, displaying white dishes and terracotta baking molds. That same creamy ivory paint covers the plaster walls, but near the stove it's yellowed slightly from years of butter and heat. A farmhouse sink and fireplace sits beneath a window, with a single oak cutting board bridging the two basins. Terracotta floor tiles here are smaller, hexagonal ones that feel good under bare feet at 6 a.m. Don't look for stainless steel appliances. The fridge is paneled in oak, and the stove is pale cream enamel with black iron knobs. Imagine soaking in a clawfoot tub while rain taps on a small skylight overhead. The walls glow in that warm Swiss coffee ivory, reflecting candlelight like old plaster in a chapel. A vanity-painted sage green holds a ceramic basin, its faucet aged brass that turns stubbornly at first. Underfoot terracotta tiles warm up quickly thanks to radiant heat. No cold toes here. Above the toilet, a simple oak shelf displays 3 small terracotta pots with trailing ivy. The only towel bar is a salvaged piece of oak branch, sanded smooth and bracketed to the wall. Now step outside and gasp, the pale pink plaster, rose pale, stops neighbors in their tracks. Honey-colored limestone corners frame the house like bread crust on a tart, warm and irregular. Above, a terracotta roof slopes gently, its scallop tiles faded to dusty rose and orange. Right in the middle of the pink wall, a dark green door sits slightly ajar, painted forest green with a black iron handle. Cascading purple bougainvillea spills over the left side of the facade, hiding half the downstairs window. Climbing pink roses take the right side, their blooms so thick you can barely see the honeystone corners underneath. Let the gravel path crackle under your flip-flops as it winds past overgrown lavender bushes. Terracotta pots in every size cluster by the back door, most of them chipped and sprouting rosemary. Somewhere behind the roses, a tiny stone bench sits half-hidden, perfect for sitting with morning coffee. Oak branches from a fallen tree now edge the vegetable beds, rotting slowly into the soil. Bougainvillea petals scatter across the gravel like purple confetti after every breeze. Don't bother weeding too neatly. A French country garden should look like it put itself together without trying.